Hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how we can do a performance testing on a API. API which we are going to use is a simple API I have used in my previous video, COVID-19 JavaScript. In one of the videos, I'll put that in the link above my head. So in the previous video of Jmeter, I would have discussed the first Jmeter test of testing a website. So in this, what we'll do, we'll see a testing of an API, how it behaves. So without any further ado, let us start the video. So the API which we are going to test is this one, COVID-19 API, the countries. So this is one of the APIs which I have used in that COVID-19 JavaScript video. So I've taken from that video. So you can see the response is like this. This is in a JSON file. You can easily see this. Now let us come back to the video. So now what I'll do, I'll create a thread group here. So in the thread group, I'll give a name as COVID-19 API, that is countries API. So in that thread group we can do all the scenarios. So first we'll need a HTTP request. In the HTTP request, if I copy, so put it here in the server name. So whatever comes of .com, the countries, it comes in the path. So HTTPS will come in the HTTPS section. So this is HTTPS. So in order to see the results for this particular API, we have to click on add listener view results tree. So in the view results tree we can see. So let me run this. It will ask me for to save, so I won't save for now. So let us see the result. So how much time it took. So load time is 1439. The response data is what we are going to expect, all the countries response data. So all the countries here, the response data we got is proper, and the connect time, everything is given here. So if you want to see like how many threads we are running for now, we are running for one thread. So let us see for 5. So like how much the response tree will be. Let us clear the screen. Let me run once again. So I have to get 5 requests. So let us see the response time. So load time is 640. So it is very less compared to the previous time when we gave only one request. So let me give thread as 10. Let us see how far the load it can take. So let me clear this again. So let me run it. So it will take 10 requests now. So HTTP request is very fast. So it is 670. Basically the same load time when we gave 5. So this API is good. So let us give for 15 users. So let me clear this again. So let me give for 15. So now we got few red, right? So what is the response data? So data is like too many requests on countries, please update. So this API as being a free API, it is telling me to have a subscription so that I can call more than one. So maximum limit I think they gave for 10. So let me clear the screen. So in this video we have seen a simple API. Maybe in future videos we can see the how we can do a load testing on using an API key with a username and password, etc. So for now, this is simple API test the performance testing video. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.